Janice in Walker County, you still with us?
Sam.
Thank you so much for your patience. You have been holding so patiently. We certainly appreciate that. And we are here to help. So if you will, go right ahead with your question.
About a year ago, I bought a new Samsung electric stove, glass top, and I noticed that occasionally the eyes of the oven, one would come on. I have a large dog, and I had my grandchildren here at Christmas, and I took them for a ride, and I took the big breakfast, and there were leftovers, and the dog apparently tried to get the food, and when he did, he hit the panel, the whole panel on the front, I reckon, because all of them came off, and it melted the microwave above the stove. It smoked up really bad in the kitchen, and I got most of it off, but some places it's still stained in the cabinets in the wood. I got a letter Friday from Samsung telling me it had been recalled because of that, and the fix would be new knob or a lock door post. That's not going to work. I mean, the knobs now, you can't even tell when you turn it on and turn it off. I don't know. I haven't been in touch with Samsung because I just got the letter. And I've had it about a year. It's off.
So I want to make sure you just received the letter, but the situation happened in December of 2023?
It happened to me several times. You know, things would get, I have to make sure every night that there's nothing on the stove or around because the dog can reach it. And if you just touch it, anybody, not just the knob, the whole panel going across, you know, where the knobs are. I've had it about a year, I think. I got it at Home Depot. It's Samsung.
Wow.
But I didn't get a letter till this Friday.
Guys, what your advice for our Janice in that situation?
Yeah, I mean, this is the kind of thing we're talking about. Fortunately, you haven't had you've had a bad event experience, but you haven't had, you know, the house burn down in the middle of the night and, you know, people be inside. So,
yes.
But this is the kind of thing that we're talking about. Callie, I mean, what do you think about whether or not the fact that she got a recall on that issue, whether or not she would have the ability to, at the very least, get a new product or get any recovery for any of the damage that she had to her kitchen?
Yeah. So when in doubt, what I tell people is always try and submit the claim. Reach out to, you know, I think you mentioned you got it from Home Depot. Reach out to Home Depot. If you purchased, you know, a warranty or maybe a standard warranty came with it through Home Depot, reach out to them. Typically, especially if the product's new within a year, there should be some kind of standard warranty on it. So yeah, I would reach out to Samsung regardless of the recall and just tell them, listen, this is exactly what happened. Lay it out for them, send them photos. Like Ken was saying earlier, don't agree to let them come and get the stove, but send them what they would need to be able to try and get you a better product. If you have something like home warranty, reach out to them. If you've got something like homeowner's insurance, you know, you want to reach out to them. I would cast a wide net to see what you can do about getting a replacement product in there. I mean, safety is always the paramount concern here. And then, you know, let those individuals and companies come back and have discussions with you. But I would say, see what you can get done with whoever, you know, you touched along the way in purchasing and having that device installed, and that's where I would start.
Yeah. Well, Janice, we certainly wish you the best because I'm sure you just don't want another situation like this coming up on the holidays again. Your grandkids are there. I'm sure that has just been a traumatic situation. So we're certainly sorry that that has happened, but certainly also hope that you can get some recourse that you're deserving of in this situation. Thank you so much for calling in with your question.